Locked to your Google account and can't access it? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue. This issue is more common than what you might think, and this usually happens if you have forgotten your account password or the previous owner didn't properly unlink their account. If this is your case, we recommend reaching out to the previous owner and asking them to unlink the device from their Google account. However, if contacting them is impossible, stick around because we will go through the step-by-step process to unlock your device. This video is for educational purposes only, and we do not support unlocking fraudulent devices. For your safety, this method does not require any software, and we will not be performing any hacking of any type. The next step will take place on a computer or on a phone that can connect to the internet. On this website, we will remove the factory reset protection lock from your phone. The factory reset protection lock will be removed based on the IMEI number of your device. To get the IMEI number of your device, you can check the SIM tray, look at the phone box, or dial *#06# on the keypad or emergency call screen. Once you have your phone's IMEI number, you will need to complete this form with the phone model, country, IMEI number, and your email address. You will be notified when the factory reset protection lock is removed from your phone. After the factory reset protection bypass process is completed, you will receive an email notification, which will look something like this. It will confirm that the Google account has been successfully removed from your device. The email will also include further instructions on what to do next to finalize the process and ensure the Google account lock is completely removed from your device. If you haven't received the email yet, don't panic. Save this video and come back later when you get the confirmation email. Once you have received the email, simply complete the process by following the instructions provided. Power on your device, and you'll see that the Google account lock has been completely removed. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Power on your device, and you'll see that the Google account lock has been completely removed. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.